Okay, time for Blizzard. Probably the single-handedly most underrated spell in the entire Book of Frost. So let's say you have an evil enemy, right? They have a Pegasus, they have a flame dragon. You don't really care, right? You have Blizzard. It's a level 2 to Snowball, so you have to take Snowball first. But I'll show you what Blizzard can do. So, your enemy over here, right? They have their flame dragon. They're on their flame dragon, even. They're gonna take some nice Blizzard damage here. Just click on them. Look, it goes from 200 down to 110. And what are they gonna do about it? Probably just something stupid like summon a Pegasus. And then the Blizzard is gonna do that remaining 110 damage. And another 5 there, right? So if I bet the Pegasus will just die here. It almost did. Blizzard is great. You can do that, right? So another thing with Blizzard is that you can just use it to generate terrain. So if you're in an ice castle and you're losing health, and let's say you have a frost dragon here. Pretend that's Red's frost dragon for the sake of the video, right? So someone hits your frost dragon. Some big bully hits your frost dragon. And you, being a wise one, position your frost dragon above yourself, a little bit to the left or a little bit to the right. And you Blizzard yourself. It'll heal your tower and heal your frost dragon. Check this out. Right? Like I said, you're being bullied. But you have a Blizzard. Snow heals everything. It's great. Right? You can even summon Igor right there. Summon Ivan even, you know. Ivan's way cooler at generating snow. And then your little friends passively heal. Another cool thing about Blizzard is that it messes shit up. If someone uses an aerial attack, like a rain of fire or a deluge, look at what it does here. Worthless. So you can use that to your advantage, right? It's also something to watch out for, of course, because if you want to Comet an enemy and it gets deflected by your own Blizzard, kind of sucks. But if you memorize, well, I'll get into Comet in a Comet video, but yeah, Blizzard, badass.